Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you guys are doing lovely today, because today what we're going to do is unbox the Influenster Voxbox that I received today. Bam! Before we get started, for those of you that have not been to my channel and seen my crazy videos and reviews and whatnot, make sure you click that subscribe button. Click on the notification bell so that way you guys don't miss out. All right, let's get started. So let's talk about the Influenster, what this is about. The Influenster is an app that you review your items, products, and stuff like that. And you can also have discussions with other members that are in there, and it's completely free. And this video is not sponsored. It's just an app that you put on your whatever phone you have, and you can also access it on the website influenster.com. And basically it's when you do reviews and stuff like that, you will get badges, and they do contests in there, and I mean a lot of cool stuff. And if you really try hard, you will be able to get a Voxbox if you're lucky. But I guess I was a lucky one. If you guys want to go check that out, the Influenster app, make sure you download that and have lots of fun. Let's get started with unboxing the Influenster Voxbox. And I'm going to go ahead and open it. I have not opened it, so I don't know what's in here. I kind of do, kind of not, because in my Influencer app, they said I was receiving a serum. So I don't know what it looks like. I don't know. I have no idea. So don't quote me on it. All right. Let's get this started. Ooh, oh my gosh. So when you open your box, it looks like this. And it does have a, let's see, a Kiehl's since 1851 Vital Skin Strengthening Super Serum. Influencer. Isn't that cute? It's adorable. Nice. So, apparently this is a Vital Skin Strengthening Super Serum. What it is, it's a hyaluronic acid serum that strengthens skin from within its deepest surface layers to help resist signs of aging, while boosting radiance and smoothing fine lines. So, yeah, this is what it looks like on the back. I don't know if you can see that, but yes. I love little papers like this, so that way I can go back to it and read it and whatnot. And so there's nothing else in there, which is great because I like little things. It's so adorable. Okay, let's see. So this is what this packaging looks like. Not sure if you can see it from there. Let's go ahead and open this up. Oh my gosh, look at this bottle. Yes. So I read the Influencer app that I went into, and they told me to try this for 7 days. So I'm going to try this for 7 days and see how this works out. And you, when you get into the Influencer app, you got to make sure that you follow the rules and whatnot. So that way you guys, if you are in the future ahead of time that you guys want to get another Voxbox, just, you know, review your stuff. It's just like me. I mean, I do a lot of reviews on a lot of stuff. It's kind of crazy, but yes. So it's supposed to improve your texture, and I'm hoping this is going to work out. I do have sensitive skin, so we will see with the dermographism that I have. So yeah, I will get back to you guys on that. And like I said, if you guys want to try this Influencer app, I would definitely try it out. If you are one of those people that love it to review products, I would do it. It's worth your time. I think this is a cute little box. It is so freaking cute. I love it so far. And once I try it, and I will let you guys know when I come back after those 7 days of trying that serum, and I will let you guys know all about it and see how it went. And yeah, that's about it. And I'm really excited in trying this product actually because, you know, those fine lines and wrinkles that, you know, kind of starting to look like fried chicken over here. If you guys have any questions or anything, make sure you comment down below. For those of you that just finished watching my video on this review, make sure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click that notification bell so that way you guys don't miss out. All right, that's about it, guys. I guess I'm gonna already say bye-bye.